back at it with this thing. So, noticing that the clutch is starting to slip. That's not good. So, we got a gasket, sex machine, racing, clutch, and upgraded clutch springs. I don't actually know if the guy actually upgraded the clutch or the clutch springs from the previous owner, so we're gonna find out.
The kid would do anything to protect his bride.
Yeah. Stumbling space. Yeah. Obsessed. Lots of days it just feels like I ain't falling in space. I stare right straight, fucking locked in your face. I can't give it up like I am Donald in the race. I ain't looking for much other than a fuck giving Kate, but you ain't really notice it. I have always roll with it, go with it. Within time you'll see the stupid motives in. I guess I'm always eagerly enthralled with the simple. Lost my self-worth, I was staring at your dimples. You ain't seem to get it, I'm the rug or the towel. You kept stepping on my face, but I would always smile. Running in all these circles, man, I guess I should've left some breadcrumbs. Making mistakes at such a high rate, I guess my head's dumb. Lots of people friend me, I ain't never friend them, cause I'm acting friendly. You think that you are welcome. Spit, spit, spit till your mouth is dry. Yeah, I spit this shit cause I can't be hot. And one ear and out the other, and it should be a turn off. Like trying to tell a cat she is black on her fur. Soft, infinite metaphors could express the way I feel. I say I love you, boo, I don't know if love is real. And you say you love me too, but is it really what you feel? Or is it cause you can't deny that yours were fake and mine were real? I'll just keep up, got the stress in my chest, cause the thought of not having you makes me depressed. Like Stan as a fan, or you go to a West. I guess I must admit it, yeah, I'm fucking obsessed.
You don't want to do this. Oscar, you have to remember who you are.
Dirty. idea on what to deal with or what you'll encounter when you do a clutch job on a Z125 Pro. You can comment, rate, and subscribe. Hit the bell notifications so you can get up to date on when new videos come out. You can check me out on my social media accounts. You can check me out on Twitch. And feel free to check out my stickers on Etsy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
波に揺られ瞬く星と今夜空の彼方へ届くように It's a beautiful thing 月の陰で